Good evening, guys. I'm going to show you guys today the blue waters from Dubai. So I think it's really gorgeous place. Then at night, very nice weather. So let's get started. Now I will have to walk across the bridge. This bridge connects from JBR to Blue Water. Most people walk around here. Guys, look to the big whale there that called Ain Dubai. Ain Dubai is the world's biggest and tallest ferry whale located on Bluewater Island. It's the tallest and largest observation whale with a height of 250 meters and was announced in February 2013. Ain Dubai is 82.4 meters taller than previous world tallest observation whale, the 167-meter high roller which opened in Las Vegas in March 2014. The whale carried up to 1,750 passengers in 48 cabins and provide views of Dubai Marina and landmarks such as Burj Al Arab, Palm Jumeirah, and Burj Khalifa. This is super beautiful meeting point for your teamwork, for your friend or your family to enjoy the views of Dubai. But right now they close for repair or some other reason. It will reopen next month, February or in March. That looks super pretty and huge. The building here is Marina and JBR. Wow, that is the best ice cream ever. And always eat ice cream here. The taste is amazing. I will get some milk tea here. It's the best place to drink milk tea in Blue Water. Rồi. Everyone, time to enjoy the fireworks here. The lovely thing in Dubai, they always have the fireworks every day in January. Wow, super beautiful.
drama.
In addition to turning fireworks display, this is an impressive drone show. I hope you guys enjoy it.
So cold. Oh my God. What?
Now I gotta going home. Thank you for watching and see me in the next video.